Hi, welcome back. So today is a bit of a crafty video. If you watched our Canada series, you'll see that I bought a whole bunch of patches. It's legitimately been 8 months since I've looked at these, so I bought them to put onto a jumper. You'll have seen me wear the jumper because I've worn the jumper. It's my Banff jumper. The plan is to put the patches down the sleeve. I just never got round to it. So John is off out with the Fire Brigade on a night out. I am in with just Louis. So I thought I'd show you the patches and then I'm going to iron them on and hope it turns out nice. So I bought these all from different places. So let's have a look through.
I'm still fly, I know. I'm still fly, let's go.
This one is the Banff National Park one. This one's one of my favourites because look at the colours. It's so bright. It says pre-warm the patch with a hairdryer. Position onto your garment. Preheat. I'm sure some of you have done this before. Preheat iron to high temperature. Press on for 20 to 30 seconds. Allow to cool. Yeah, so that's what that one says to do. And that one is just the Banff National Park one. And then this is the Banff Gondola one. We did see another Banff Gondola one. I can't remember if I bought it or not. I don't think I did. That was really nice. But this, I'd already bought this one. Has this got the same instructions? Okay, well. This is a Lake Louise one. These were all about... I've got the prices on them actually. This one was 10 Canadian dollars. This one was... doesn't have a price on it. This one was 10 Canadian dollars. That's from Lake Louise. There were no, like, really... because I think, like, these are interesting. Like, they look quite interesting. This was the only style of Lake Louise patch we found. This is from when we went to see the Athabasca Glacier. This one is $10.99. Has the same instructions. Well, look, that's the bus you can get up to the glacier normally, and then you can walk on the ice, but we walked up there. So yeah. This one is from Cave and Basin. I love this one. Look how cool that one is. That doesn't have a price on, but I imagine it was about $10. So cool. And then this is another one from Sulphur Mountain. Oh no. Okay, this is going to make it way more difficult because it's all saying to turn it inside out, but I don't know how to iron it and see it if I turn it inside out. So I think you might all be shouting at me in the comments, but I think I'm just going to give it a... how difficult can it be? It's an iron-on patch, right? So, yeah, and that one is from Sulphur Mountain. And that one was $7.99. So this was the cheapest one I bought, I think. This one was cheaper than this one. But it's got lots of details on. So that's that there is the gondola place. And then this is like the top of the mountain. So yeah, that's the plan. I think I want to... how many have I got? I've got 6, so I can have 3 down each arm. So I guess I pick which ones go down each arm. Okay, well I think this one and this one need to be together because they're the same thing. And then maybe this one. And then the 3 circle ones can go together. For no reason other than that's how I'm doing it. Okay, let me just get situated and then I'll come back and show you the ironing on. Situated. So there's the seam of the shoulder and then that matches up with the seam of the wrist. So I'm hoping that that means that's even. Oh god, I'm going to properly bodge this, but I don't think it really matters. It's just for my memories. Absolutely no idea what I'm doing. That one just had a peely bit like a temporary tattoo. So... I don't know if they're all like that. They don't look all the same, which is very confusing. Let's see. That's the first one. It looks good, right? That's just a line from the heater where there's something underneath. It'll come out, I'm sure. Okay, now I think this one. See, this one's got different rules on it than the last one. This arm is going to look a little bit weird because they're all different shapes, but I think that's okay. So I think this has already got the sticky on the back. I'm just going to put it like that. I think it looks cute. I might start doing this every trip I take. Yeah, I really like it. Okay, let's see if we can get this one down. The last one, I could do with a bit on the top corner there. But other than that, it's stuck. Okay. Doing this with absolutely no science behind it, but I think I've spread them out quite nicely. The only thing is this one is massive, and it's going to be there, but that's okay, I think. Also, the edges of them are not sticking down super well, so I might have to go back over that once I'm done, but yeah. We'll see how this one goes. This one's going to be tricky because there's like creases where the sleeve is. So I've turned the heat up. I'm hoping I'm not going to burn it. Let me know in the comments down below, are you like try it and see kind of person, or do you like totally plan it out before you start doing things? Because I definitely should have planned it out before I started doing this, because now I feel like it's not going that well. But worst case, I can always like hand sew them on. So it smells burny. Oh, that one looks way better. I'm probably gluing my sleeve down, but yeah, that looks way better. Maybe I'm gonna go over these top two with the higher heat just for a second. So there's the top one, the middle one, and then that bottom one on that sleeve. I might have to put a couple of stitches in as well just to secure it, but I think they look pretty good. But I do think I might have to put a couple of stitches in. But let's move on to which one of these do we want to be at the top? I mean, immediately I want this one at the top, so let's do that. Because this one is so much brighter than all the others. I still definitely think I'm going to have to eventually have to put a couple of stitches in. But that won't take that long just to whack a couple of stitches in. The glue on this is... I think I'm going to do that bright one, and then this one, and then this one by the wrist, because I forgot to count. Yeah, that one looks great. Look at it! I love that one so much. Okay, now this one. I know lots of people collect pins, but I think when I go on a trip I'm gonna get a jumper, even if it's a plain one, like a plain sweater or whatever, or a t-shirt or whatever, and I'm gonna buy the iron-on patches. So for like our cruise, I'm gonna buy a Virgin one if they've got it. I'm gonna buy Amsterdam and Bruges one. Maybe they'll have one for Portsmouth, because that's where we're sailing from. I think I'm gonna start doing that, like wherever I see a different iron-on patch, I'm gonna get it from the trip rather than pins. And it can be a bit expensive, but no more expensive than pins, and I don't have anywhere to put a pin, so I'm going to start doing that. It's such a fun, like, it's like scrapbooking but on a jumper, and I really like it. You can tell that John's out because I'm waffling to you. Right, and this is the last one. It's also the flimsiest one. No hate on Lake Louise, but get better iron-on badges. I'm so happy. Okay, and this is the other. They're going to be totally wonky, so it is what it is. There's the top one. They look alright. So can you see both arms together? Probably not. Oh, that's something I didn't consider when I'm wearing it. Are they going to be level? Probably. Oh, they're not too far off, actually. Okay. Let's see if I can show you how lucky that is. They're like almost equal, and then there's the middle ones. They're slightly off, but I just will stand with my arms wonky. And then there's the bottom ones. They're gonna look off anyway because this one's tiny compared to this one, so yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. And then obviously it's on my Banff jumper. You can see it better if I turn it around, like where the arms lay. You can see, like, and then this side. Oh, I'm really happy with it. It's like scrapbooking on a jumper. So, yeah, thank you so much for watching me craft a little. Let me know if you're going to do this or if you collect patches, because I just love them. And also, they look, It's the detail on them, isn't it? And that you can remember where you've been and you don't like just put it somewhere and then lose it, because it's on my jumper and it's in my wardrobe. So yeah, I love this so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to hit the subscribe, give me a thumbs up, hit the notification, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.